Hi class, TPark here, showing you my game. To start, we have the objects as listed in the class module, bubbles, chips, whatever else. To start, we roll to see who shoots first. Okay? And at the beginning of each shot, each player gets 3 of these balls, by the way, and 3 bubbles, and 1 die and 1 chip. At the beginning of each turn, I roll. I rolled a 4. So, since there's only 3 balls, that's the amount of shots you can take. Max. 1 through 3 obviously correlates 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shots. 4 through 5. 4 is 1, 5 is 2, 6 is 3. We also have the option to bounce. Bounce equals 2 points instead of the standard shot. So for this instance, I rolled a 4, that's a 1, but I can do a double shot to get a point over. I bounced it, but I missed. So if I miss, I have to put one of my bubbles in. The opposing player also, before the shooting player's turn, can throw this lid, like a frisbee, to try block a shot. Now, in the event of getting bubbles back, say I rolled a 1 again, means I only get to shoot 1 ball, but I actually bounce it and make it. I will make it. There we go. Out of 3. Doesn't happen. I get 1 bubble back. So anytime you make a shot over, counts as a bubble back. You can only make 1 shot over though. Only one of the shots over counts. However, if all of the bubbles are in the middle, or even if I have all my bubbles, but the other player has a bubble in, I can still shoot over to get one of their bubbles, so now I have an advantage. The object of the game is to either have all the other players' bubbles, or if it's tied up, like how a game when we demonstrated was, where all our bubbles are gone, it goes to who makes it and who misses. Basically like a tiebreaker in tennis. The point over wins. The chip, this is ceremoniously given over to the winner to show the game is over, but the chip also has an interesting role. The chip you can use once a game to challenge. Now, a challenge counts as your shooting turn. However, what you can do with the challenge, you can potentially end the game in one go. I'm going to challenge, theoretically, blue versus red to a roll-off. Blue, red. Blue won. So I could have asked for one of 2 things. I could have challenged directly for her chip to end the game immediately. It's a game of chance after all. Or I could have challenged for one of her bubbles. Now I have to have a bubble to put up for that. So I challenge for one of her bubbles, I get it now. She has 1 less bubble. That pretty much is the game. If you've seen the demonstration game, that's how things go, and that's about it. Thanks, class.